In front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 7A, and let me show you how to change PIN code to your SIM card on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select passwords and security, and here you should pick privacy. And if you'd like to change your SIM lock, just click on Virgin Mobile. As you can see, it is required, so to change it, just click on Change SIM PIN. Now you have to enter the current one, which in my case is 2580, tap on OK, and now enter, okay, so one more time the old one, and now enter a new one, so I can set it with 1592, tap on OK, and then you have re-enter the new one just to confirm. And that's it. As you can see, SIM PIN has been changed, so that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.